My name is Tamara, and I'm a member of the clinical outreach team in the Child and Youth Mental Health Program. Being home with our children allows parents a unique opportunity to build a strong relationship with their child. This is one of the most important things a parent can do, and through the use of warm, positive interactions, it promotes optimal development in the child. Research shows that one of the strongest movers of childhood behavior is positive behavior support. This refers to the physical or verbal praise and incentives that are tied to positive behavior. Two of the best opportunities to use positive behavior support is when setting limits and making requests. When your child completes a request or observes a limit, you have the opportunity to acknowledge them using simple, immediate, and specific praise. Something such as a pat on the shoulder, a high five, or saying thank you for getting all of your homework done, or I'm very proud of you for listening and turning off the tablet. The benefit of this positive behavior support for the child is that it reinforces the behavior we want to see. It provides encouragement for children to do more of what we like and promotes skill development and confidence. The use of positive behavior support has been shown to improve family relationships and reduce conflict, and parents report increased feelings of self-efficacy. Think about the behavior or routine you would like to see, and every time you see it, praise your child. You'll both feel good about it.